Hello, welcome back to my channel, MandyLineducationprep, and I would like to welcome you to this presentation on subject-verb agreement. In this session, we will explore how subjects and verbs work together in a sentence, common pitfalls, and strategies to identify and correct errors. So what is subject-verb agreement? Subject-verb agreement ensures that the subject and verb in a sentence match in a number. For example, singular subject takes singular verbs and plural subjects takes plural verbs. That's a mouthful. This fundamental rule of grammar can become tricky, as we'll see in upcoming examples. So these are some common errors in subject-verb agreement, as you see in these two examples. These simple examples highlight errors that might feel unnatural in conversation, but can easily creep into writing. Always ensure that the subject and verb align. So ignore prepositional phrases. Prepositional phrases like into the scandal don't affect the subject-verb agreement. The subject here is investigations, which is plural, so the verb is show. Cross out prepositional phrases to avoid confusion. How to test singular versus plural verbs. When unsure about the correct form of a verb, try pairing it with he or they to check whether it should be plural or singular. So handling complex sentences. In more complex sentences, identify all the subjects and their corresponding verbs. Cross out any relative clauses to simplify the sentence. So in this example, we have mastery of magic tricks that truly surprises has surprised the audience / requires lots of time. So subject 1 is mastery, and that's singular, so it requires. And subject 2 is magic tricks, so that's plural, so you will have surprise. In special cases, pay attention to them. Words like everybody are singular, and subjects joined by and are plural. Understanding these rules will help you avoid errors. So here is an exercise that I would like you to go through. Please pause this video to go through this exercise. Cross out the prepositional phrases or relative clauses if needed to simplify the sentences and find the correct subject-verb pair. Next slide. Some key takeaways from this video is that subject-verb agreement is foundational to clear communication in English. By simplifying sentences and identifying the core and subject and verb, you can write with confidence. Please remember these key takeaways. Thank you, and remember to like and subscribe and share.